Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to manage Google password on your Lenovo Tab M8. Lenovo M8. Our first step is open Google Chrome, where we press three dots on the right corner of the screen. Now navigate to the settings. In it, we choose Password Manager, and there we have some option of Password Manage. We can turn on or turn off function Save Passwords or Auto Syncing, or we can manage passwords which our Lenovo remember. In this case, our Facebook. We can press it, and now we can copy our email, copy our password, or after we press this icon, our Lenovo show us password which remember to Facebook. We can delete it. To do that, we click on this trash and confirm by delete password. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.